In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automatic emails in Jira. Whether you're a project manager, a team lead, or anyone who regularly uses Jira, automating emails can save you a significant amount of time and ensure your team stays informed. Let's start by navigating to your Jira dashboard. First, you need to locate the Your Work section in Jira, which is where you typically start managing your tasks and projects. Click on this section to access a list of your active projects. If you're not already signed into Jira, make sure to log in using your credentials. Once you're in the Your Work section, the next step is to select the project you want to work with. This might be a project where keeping the team updated through emails is crucial. Selecting the right project is essential, as this is where you'll be setting up the email automation rule. After selecting your project, you need to access the project settings. This is where all your project configurations are handled, including setting up automation rules. Look for the project settings option in the menu or toolbar and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your project. When you're in the project settings, the next task is to find the automation section. Automation in Jira helps you streamline repetitive tasks, which in this case includes sending emails automatically. Click on the automation link to enter the automation setup area. Now that you're in the automation section, you need to create a new rule. Look for the option labeled Create Rule and click on it to start setting up your email automation. This feature allows you to specify conditions and actions that should be taken automatically, which helps in reducing manual monitoring efforts. The next step is to decide on the triggers for your automation rule. You may see various options such as All Triggers, Issue Triggers, DevOps, and Compass. These triggers determine when your automated action will be executed. For now, select All Triggers because it provides a broad range of scenarios that will initiate the email sending process. Once you've chosen your triggers, you'll need to specify more about the trigger conditions. You might see options like Issue Commented. Selecting this option can set your rule to trigger whenever someone comments on an issue. This is especially useful for keeping everyone in the loop when there are new updates or discussions happening within Jira. After picking the Issue Commented option, it's time to customize further by selecting which comment types should activate the rule. For this tutorial, let's keep it simple by choosing New Comment is Added, which triggers the email whenever a fresh comment appears in the comments section. With your triggers and conditions set, click on Next to proceed to the action stage. This part of the setup determines what happens when your defined trigger occurs. For sending an email, you'll need to select Add an Action. Head over to Send Email on the action list and click on it. Here you will be able to configure the email sending details such as recipients, subject, and body content. Keep in mind that the purpose of this email is to inform all relevant parties of the event that triggered it. Next, decide who should receive this email. You can opt for all customers involved or any specific group pertinent to the task or project. This way those who need to be informed are included in the communication loop. Now type in a subject line for your email. This will be the first thing recipients see, so make it clear and related to the content. An effective subject line can significantly impact whether your email gets the attention it requires. Following the subject, enter the email body's content. Keep your message concise but informative, covering all necessary points without overwhelming the recipient. Feel free to utilize any Jira variables that might be beneficial to specify the issue details, like issue key or summary, which personalize your email further. Once your content is ready, click Next to move forward. Review everything you've set up so far, ensuring accuracy and completeness. The next part involves turning your draft rule into an active automation. To do this, click on Turn on Rule. Before finalizing, you need to give your rule a name. A descriptive name helps you identify this rule among others, particularly if you plan to set up multiple automation tasks within Jira. Finally, click Turn on Rule again to activate it. This action completes your setup, and your automated email function will start working based on the trigger conditions you specified. And that's it! You've successfully set up an automated email rule in Jira. This automation will help keep your team well informed and streamline your Jira management. If needed, you can revisit the automation settings to tweak or update your rule. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you harness the power of Jira to its fullest potential.